You're gonna love the 2023 Nissan ARIYA. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.